Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, January 14th, 2025, we're tackling Tesla, the electric vehicle giant, and doing a complete analysis of its recent performance, taking a look at current news and events, as well as the charts themselves. Recent news headlines highlight Morgan Stanley's surprisingly bullish outlook on Tesla, with a potential price target as high as $800 per share. However, other sources point to recent drops and uncertainty. Let's see how these news events align with the charts. Looking at the one-day chart, we observe a recent surge in TSLA's price, which could be a result of Morgan Stanley's positive forecast. However, we can see some resistance around the $450 range, suggesting some hesitancy to break through. Now, let's shift to the one-hour chart to examine the short-term price fluctuations and to look for more immediate support and resistance levels, and to see if we can possibly correlate the smaller price movements with the recent news. The hourly chart shows some interesting patterns. We see a clear uptrend in the last few days, but some consolidation and possible short-term support can be seen around $400. The recent volatility could be related to investor sentiment following the conflicting news reports. For an even more granular view of the recent price action, we'll take a look at the 15-minute chart to see even shorter-term patterns, which could indicate short-term bullish or bearish pressures. Zooming in on the 15-minute chart gives us real-time insights. We can see some immediate support near the 390 mark. Any breaks below that level could potentially signal a short-term bearish reversal, depending on the volume. Considering the current market sentiment and the conflicting news reports, it is difficult to make a definite bullish or bearish prediction for Tesla. The market seems to be consolidating, waiting for more clear information before making a decisive move. However, if the positive outlook by Morgan Stanley materializes, we could expect a significant price increase, potentially surpassing recent resistance levels. Conversely, continued negative news or a lack of significant positive catalyst could cause prices to fall further. Key price levels to watch: support around $400 to $390 on the one-hour chart, and longer-term support between $380 to $370 on the daily chart for shorter-term predictions, and $350 for a major support level on the daily chart. Resistance at $450 on the daily chart. It's crucial to monitor volume alongside price movements for confirmation of trends and reversals. Upcoming earnings reports or significant technological announcements could also significantly impact TSLA's price, making it vital to stay informed about news events. In conclusion, TSLA's price action reflects the current mixed market sentiment, with potential for both significant gains and losses. Keep a close eye on news developments and the key support and resistance levels we've identified to make informed trading decisions. It's a dynamic situation, and your risk tolerance and trading strategy will ultimately guide your next steps. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.